Hello guys, and I don't know why I said that in a weird voice. We found a hurt bird.
A baby hummingbird.
Yeah, and it's
Hi,
hurt.
guys.
It's hurt. What are you doing? So
It's a hurt hummingbird.
we don't know if it's a girl or a boy.
I'm not squeezing it. I'm holding it very
I think it's a
gentle.
girl. That's what our
And
mom.
it has holes in its wings.
No, it
like really
doesn't.
tiny holes.
No, it doesn't.
Well, that's what I saw.
It's just the feathers.
Oh, just the feathers.
And we found it in our neighbor's yard, and we don't know what to do with it. So we're trying to take care of it. We research stuff to do with it, but we don't
Wait, why do you need sugar though?
know a lot.
We have sugar.
Cause
We don't know
sugar.
a lot about hummingbirds.
Sugar makes
So comment down below what should we do, and if
Comment fast before
if you know like a bird expert, go ask them if they could look at this video and see if they could help us save this little bird. We don't know what to do with it. Wait, hold on. Okay, yeah. So that will be the end of our video. Bye.
Yeah, we just wanted to tell you that we don't know what to do with this bird. We're really nervous. Okay. Well, that's the end of our video. Goodbye.